Hello, and welcome to 5 Minute Math. Today we are looking at the TEKS tool, strip diagrams, specifically equal groups. We are working with a problem related to TEKS 3.4H, and we'll do it in 5 minutes or less. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and take a moment to pause the video, work this problem out on your own, unpause it, and we will look at our answers together. So we have a word problem here, but we also have an array of stickers that we could use as a tool as well. But let's see how this follows the same pattern of our equal group word problems. So Emma has 35 stickers as shown. She wants to put an equal number of stickers on each of 5 pages. How many stickers will be on each page? Well, let's break this down. So when we're dealing with a word problem and we're working with equal groups, we need something that's going to signal that there are the same number in each group. And so it has it right down here, an equal number of stickers on each of 5 pages. So this is our signal that in case we didn't have this array, because sometimes they'll give us an array, sometimes they won't. This is our signal that we are dealing with an equal groups problem, which means we need to either multiply or divide. That's what equal group tells us we're going to do. We're going to either multiply or divide. Now, they're going to give us two of these last three, and then they're going to ask us for the third. So Emma has 35 stickers as shown. All right, well, that is the total. And so when we have the total, that means we are going to be using division. Now, we can always show it as a multiplication problem, but if they give you the total, that means you're looking for either the number of groups or the number in each group, which means we're going to divide. So she wants to put an equal number of stickers on each of 5 pages. All right, so we've got 5 pages. That is the number of groups. Each page acts as a group. You're always looking for something that is going to act as a group, whether it be a page or a bucket, something like that. So the number of groups, how many stickers will be on each page? On each page, that is your number in each group. All right, so this follows our pattern. Now, we can actually solve this with our array, but we can also first represent this with a strip diagram. So how would we recognize this problem situation and represent it with a strip diagram? Well, we have our total, so let's put our total on the bottom. Remember, the total can be a bar, it could be a line like this, it can be above, it can be below. We always need to rotate where we have the total because you never know what it's going to look like. And we have 5 pages. All right, so that gives us the number of groups. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to separate this into 5 groups. Now, 5 groups means you need 4 lines because each line is going to create an additional group. So one more than 4 is 5. That's why we need 4 lines. And there's no really easy way to do fifths. You just have to kind of eyeball it, and that's going to be close enough. All right, so what we're looking for is we're looking for the number. This is where our question mark goes. Our unknown is the number in each group or the number of stickers on each page. So that's how we would recognize that. Now, from this problem that we see represented as a strip diagram, we can actually generate 4 related sentences, number sentences. So obviously we can say 5 groups of, and I'll use a box instead of a question mark, of something equal 35. We can use the commutative property. We can say box groups of 5. Let's see, let's make that a 5, would equal 35. So that stays the same, even if you flip the order there. So let's go ahead and just make that a 5. We can also create 2 division sentences. We can say 35 divided by box equals 5, or 35 divided by 5 equals box. That's the one that's helpful. And if we didn't know that fact, we also have our 5 groups right here. So how many are in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we could use the array as a helpful tool as well. So our answer is B, 7.